The biggest feature is the massive tank. At 4.5 liters, this humidifier runs significantly longer than smaller models. This capacity, paired with a powerful 350 milliliter per hour mist output, means it can comfortably humidify large bedrooms or living areas for a full night's sleep, or even up to 12 to 15 hours on a low setting without the constant need for refills. It's designed for hassle-free, continuous moisture. Comfort isn't just about the air, it's about the noise. The Simplus Humidifier operates at an ultra-low noise level, often around 35 decibels, quieter than a whisper. This makes it perfect for nurseries, bedrooms, or home offices. Control is simple and intuitive thanks to a classic knob control, allowing you to precisely adjust the mist level from a gentle stream to a dense fog.